Next section, color psychology. Color psychology is the study of hues as a determinant of human behavior. Color influences perceptions that are not obvious, such as the taste of food. Colors can also enhance the effectiveness of placebos. For example, red or orange pills are generally used as stimulants. Color can indeed influence a person. However, it is important to remember that these effects differ between people. Factors such as gender, age, and culture can influence how an individual perceives color. Color psychology is also widely used in marketing and branding. Many marketers see color as an important part of marketing because color can be used to influence consumers' emotions and perceptions of goods and services. Combines also as color when deciding on brand logos. Can you define color psychology? Color psychology is the study of color as a determinant of human behavior. Influence of color on perception. Color and contrast affect influence perception. Placebo effect. The color of pills is reported to be more effective. General model of color psychology. Color can carry specific meaning, biological innate meaning. The perception of a color causes valuation. Color motivated behavior. Color usually exerts its influence automatically. Color meaning and effect has to do with context. Influence of color on perception. Perception not obviously related to color, such as the palatability of food, may in fact be partially determined by color. Not only the color of the food itself, but also that of everything in the eater's field of vision can affect this. In the understanding of color perception was through his research of how colors interact with each other at the edges. He also studied the optical illusion of color and how different hues looked the same. Colors in health care. Biomedical waste, size of needles, color therapy, etc. Look at this biomedical waste management. Yellow bags, infectors, waste, bandages, gauze, cotton or any other objects in the contact with the body fluids, human body parts, placenta, etc. Red bags, plastic waste such as catheters, injection, syringes, etc. Blue bags, all type of glass bottles and broken glass articles, outdated, discarded medicines. Black carboy needles without syringes, blades, sharps, all metal articles. Look at this bags, different color in biomedical waste management. Look at this size of needles in different color. Color therapy. What do you think about color therapy? It is a complementary therapy for which there is evidence dating back thousands of years to the ancient cultures of Egypt, China, India. Color is simply light of varying wavelengths. Thus, each color has its own particular wavelength and energy. The energy relating to each of the 7 spectrum colors of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet resonates with the energy of each of the 7 main energy centers of body or chakras. If you can imagine the chakras as a set of wheels, they are rather like the working of clock or an engine. Each wheel needs to move smoothly for the engine to work properly. Look at this chakras. Violet, ground chakra, indigo, brow chakra, blue, throat chakra, green, heart chakra, yellow, solar plexus chakra, orange, sacral chakra, red, base chakra. Color therapy concerning each color promote a particular behavior. For example, blue, sympathy, harmony, desire, red, love, passion, courage, warmth, yellow, fun, optimism, energy, joy, spontaneity, green, nature, youth, refreshing, hope, fertility. Orange, striking, original, warm, aromatic. Violet, devotion, faith, fashion, fantasy. Pink, romance, illusion. White, truth, honesty, purity, innocence, lightness. Black, elegance, mystery, magic, power, etc. So these all the each colors influence a particular behavior. Used to give psychotherapy. by means of color therapy. Look at this colors used in houses, kitchen, office, bedroom, living room, base, dining room, girls room, etc. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.